Hello children, our next topic is equivalent rational numbers. Now before that, what is meant by a rational number? Any number which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So we can say that all integers and fractions are rational numbers, and decimals can also be represented in the form of a rational number. Now the next topic is equivalent rational numbers. So rational numbers can be written with different numerators and denominators. And how we will obtain the equivalent rational numbers? Now consider the rational number 2 by 3. Now we can multiply the numerator and denominator of this rational number by a non-zero integer. Then 2 by 3 is equal to, suppose if I multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 into 2 into 2. So I will get 4 by 6. So 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 is an equivalent rational number. Then again, if I take 2 by 3 and if I multiply with another non-zero integer, for example 3, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by a non-zero integer. Any integer you can take it. So equal to 6 by 9. So 6 by 9 is equivalent to 2 by 3, or 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6, and which is equal to 6 by 9. Suppose if we want one more rational number equivalent to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into, suppose if I multiply with 10 into 10 equal to 20 by 30. So 20 by 30 is another equivalent rational number, 20 by 30. So all these rational numbers are equal to each other and we can call them as equivalent rational number. So 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6, which is equal to 6 by 9, which is equal to 20 by 30. Now we can consider another example, negative 3 by 4. So find two equivalent rational numbers or three equivalent rational numbers. So what we have to do? Multiply both numerator and denominator by non-zero integer. Therefore, negative 3 by 4 is equal to negative 3 by 4 into 5. Suppose if I multiply with 5, so which is equal to negative 15 by 20. So this negative 15 by 20 is equal to negative 3 by 4. Then if I need one more, negative 3 by 4 is equal to negative 3 by 4 into 6 equal to negative 18 by 24. Another rational number equivalent to negative 3 by 4. So by multiplying with a suitable non-zero integer, we will get a rational number equivalent to the given rational number. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by a non-zero integer. Now when you divide it also, you will get a rational number equivalent to the given rational number. For example, consider 10 by 50. Suppose if you are dividing both numerator and denominator by a non-zero integer, we will get a rational number equivalent to the given rational number. So 10 by 15 is equal to 10 by 15. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So divided by 5 equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 3 is an equivalent fraction of which one? 10 by 15. Then another example, 12 by 24, negative 12 by 24. So we have to divide, we can divide both numerator and denominator by a non-zero integer. So negative 12 by 24 is equal to negative 12 by 24 divided by 2 divided by 2, so equal to negative 6 by 12. So negative 12 by 24 is equal to negative 6 by 12. So that is also an equivalent rational number. Now again, Suppose this is negative 12 by 24. If I divide both the numerator and denominator by 12, so I will get negative 1 by 2. So that is also a rational number equivalent to negative 12 by 24. So we can write as negative 12 by 24 is equal to negative 12 by 24 is equal to negative 6 by 12 and which is equal to negative 1 by 2. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by non-zero integer. That time also we will get a rational number which is equivalent to the given rational number. So how will you obtain a rational number equivalent to the given rational number? If the numerator and denominator of a rational number are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero integer, we get another rational number equivalent to the given rational number or equal to the given rational number. Now consider this example, 3 by negative 4. And if you this 3 by negative 4 into negative 1 into negative 1. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by any non-zero integer. So we can multiply with the negative integers also. So negative 1 we multiplied with the negative 1. So we got it as a negative 3 by 4. So 3 by negative 4 is equivalent to negative 3 by 4. So what is the meaning of that? 3 by negative 4 we can write 3 by negative 4 we can write as a negative 3 by 4. So negative 3 by 4 is an equivalent rational number of 3 by negative 4. So 3 by negative 4 is equal to negative 3 by 4. Then another example. (5) by negative 9 and multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. So we can say that negative 5 by negative 9 into negative 1 which is equal to 9. So 5 by negative 9 is the same as or equivalent to negative 5 by 9. So when we do the calculations like addition, subtraction, etc. So we have to make the denominator all the time positive. So how we can make it them into positive? So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. So you will get a rational number equivalent to the given rational number. So we can say that 3 by negative 4 is same as negative 3 by 4. 5 by negative 9 is same as which one? Negative 5 by 9. So we can say 6 by negative 11. So 6 by negative 11 is same as which one? Negative 6 by 11. So what we did here, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. So we will get a rational number equivalent to the given rational number. So 6 by negative 11 is same as negative 6 by 11. Now give 4 rational numbers equivalent to 2 by 7. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to 2 by 7. How we can find out the equivalent rational number? So we can take 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 into 2. We can start with 2. Then we will get it as a 4 by 14. Then again 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 into 3 into 3. So 6 by 21. Now 2 by 7 equal to 2 by 7 into 4, multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So we will get as a 8 by 28. We have to find out 4 equivalent rational numbers. So 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 into 5 equal to 10 by 35. So we can say that this 2 by 7 is equivalent to 4 by 14. Then again 2 by 7 is equivalent to 6 by 21 equal to 8 by 28 and which is equal to 10 by 35. And these are the 4 equivalent rational numbers. Now find out 4 equivalent rational numbers for 3 by negative 4 also. So 3 by negative 4 equal to 3 by negative 4 into, we can multiply with any non-zero integer. Then we can say that 15 by negative 20, then 3 by negative 4 is equal to 3 by negative 4 into 2 equal to 6 by negative 8, and the rational number equivalent to 3 by negative 4. Then 3 by negative 4 is equal to 3 by negative 4 into 6 equal to 18 by negative 24. Then 3 by negative 4 is equal to 3 by negative 4 into 7 equal to 21 by negative 28. So the equivalent rational numbers are 15 by negative 20, 6 by negative 8, 18 by negative 24 and 21 by negative 28. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.